home run of the year. Same spot. Ball hit well to right center field. Kiermaier leaps and he makes the incredible catch against the wall. Kevin Kiermaier robbing Donaldson of extra bases for the first out in the bottom half of the 7th inning.
Yeah, if you're going to avoid and evade Kevin Kiermaier, it better clear the fence. Because if it's in the park, it's always catchable by the Rays center fielder. This ball well struck out into right center, but Kevin Kiermaier covers ground and then shows a little athleticism with the leap. Nice catch.